grabe. Kahapon, nagkaroon ako ng coaching session. And, etong nagabilang coaching, meron na siyang experience. Meron na siyang actually client. It's just that, ang dami niya lang ginagawa sa clients. So, she is not only offering organic social media management, she is offering the digital marketing in general. Like, she's offering ads, organic content, automation, that also includes it, and email marketing. And, girl, ang dami kong na-share sa kanya na hindi dapat kasama sa coaching session. Kasi I am only focused on organic social media management. Pero since I am working in a digital marketing agency wherein I do market sa kanilang agency, ako yung gumagawa ng mga contents nila, ako yung nagpapagrow ng business nila. And yes, it's one of my job. Kaya nagkakaroon ako ng learnings about marketing, email marketing, automations, delegating tasks with other people because of that agency. And guess what? Hindi ko naman plano magkaroon ng agency. Ayokong mag-build ng agency pero ayoko ding magsalita ng tapos. But right now, I cannot see myself having an agency kasi I have my small business right now. It's a clothing business. Pero sobrang hirap at sobrang laki ng tax. Kaya if I'm going to build another business which is an agency, tapos wala pa masyadong expenses, panay sales, just like here in the freelancing, alam ko magiging sobrang laki ng tax and ang daming papers na aasikasuhin. Kaya good na ako dito sa aking small business na to na clothing business. So, going back, ayun na nga, hindi ko plan i-share sa kanya yung mga about digital marketing agency, but share ko yun sa kanya on how that digital agency or my client run the whole agency. I know how to run agency. I just did not do it. Yun yung shinare ko sa kanya, kung paano mag-delegate ng task, kung ano yung mga kailangan, and how we do things sa agency. And it's something na you cannot figure out if wala ka pa dun sa position na yun. That's why, shinare ko yun sa kanya para she can figure out, para before pa siya makapunta dun sa position na yun, she knows what to do. And reason why I love the one-on-one session kasi personalize ko yun sa kailangan nila. Ayoko kasi ng coaching session na parang group or it's like a webinar wherein generic lang yung masashare ko sa inyong information. I want one-on-one para I know where you are and I know how to help you. Ayun lang, share ko lang.